Welcome to First at 4. I'm Grant Sweeter. Here is a quick look at Friday's top stories. 4 more deaths were reported in Minnehaha County on Friday after 4 were announced on Thursday. The death toll from COVID-19 in South Dakota is at 21 after the test results were reported by the State Department of Health. Total positive cases in the state are at 2,525, up 76 from Thursday. Recoveries are up 113 from Thursday. The latest COVID-19 numbers can be found in this story online right now. Governor Kristi Noem announced Friday she's waiting for more federal guidelines from the United States Department of Agriculture on meatpacking plants before announcing a date for when the Smithfield Foods plant in Sioux Falls will reopen. There have been 853 confirmed worker cases and 245 connected cases, with the last change in numbers coming Tuesday, April 28th. At least 2 deaths have been connected to the Smithfield Foods plant in Sioux Falls. In a podcast interview released Friday, President Donald Trump announced his plans to attend the return of fireworks at Mount Rushmore on Friday, July 3rd. On the podcast, Trump mentioned a conversation with Governor Kristi Noem about federal funding for state budgets. He then turned the conversation towards fireworks at Mount Rushmore. You can read more on this story online right now. From the Capitol News Bureau in Pierre, South Dakota's governor signed an executive order Thursday giving people more time to get important stuff done. Things like titling mobile or manufactured homes, motor vehicles, trailers, semi-trailers, and large boats, and things like renewing registrations for vehicles and boats. People now will get up to 60 days to handle those after South Dakota's COVID-19 emergency officially ends, according to Governor Kristi Noem. In a KELOLAND.com original now online, although the city of Sioux Falls and the state of South Dakota have not yet reached their COVID-19 pandemic peaks, both are opening up various businesses and public areas. Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenhaken and Governor Kristi Noem have said people will still get COVID-19 as parts of the city and state open up, but conditions have improved enough to make these changes. Hospitalization numbers have been a key part of COVID-19 models and responses in the city and in the state. City and state officials have said in various news briefings and council meetings. A union representing employees at a South Dakota pork processing plant says it will partially reopen Monday after shuttering more than 2 weeks ago because of a coronavirus outbreak that infected hundreds of employees. The United Food and Commercial Workers local chapter said Friday that about 250 employees have been asked to report to Smithfield Foods to staff 2 departments, ground season pork and night cleanup. The union was informed on Thursday about the partial reopening. You can read this full report online right now. Scroll down in the First at 4 story for a look at today's forecast from the KELOLAND Live Doppler HD Storm Center. That's First at 4 on this Friday afternoon. I'm Grant Sweeter. For the latest updates, download the KELOLAND News app.